Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoho CRM for sales. So first, you're going to go to your browser, then you want to go to Zoho CRM, then you're going to sign in or sign up with your account, then you're going to click on Access Zoho CRM. And once you're here, you're going to navigate over here to the left where you'll be able to access all of the options and the tools that you can utilize. Then if you go ahead and click on sales, you'll be able to access the leads, the contacts, the accounts, as well as the deals. Then over here, if you click on leads, you will see create lead over here so that you can create a new lead for an account for your customer or your clients. Then over here at activities, you'll see the task, meetings, and calls. So this is where you can manage your task for better organization within your business. Then over here in inventory, you'll see products, price books, and other inventory related stuffs, as well as the finance, so that you can better monitor your products, especially if you're handling multiple products or services. Then over here at support, you'll see the cases and the solutions. So if a client is in need of customer support, then you can create the case over here. And you can also monitor the development of the cases over in this page. Then in integrations, you'll be able to access the sales inbox, the social, as well as the site visits, so that you'll have a report on how well your website is being exposed. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.